Hello, how are you? You're good today? Today I'm going to start with alphabet A. Capital A and small a. We're studying now capital A and small a. Now I'm going to see what things start from letter A. See here. This is A. Letter A. Capital A. Wow, what is this? Yummy. This is apple. You all enjoy eating apples? Okay. This is A for apple. A for apple. Now what is this? This is X. What are you used for? You used to cut the wood. Woodcutter used to cut the wood. A for axe. This is A for axe. A for axe. What is this? Arrow. You know now? Bow and arrow used. This is arrow. A for arrow. A for arrow. This is A for arrow. A for arrow. Now, something bit me. What was that? Oh, this is an ant. This is an ant. It bites you now. Then how you do? Ooh, this is an ant. A for ant. A for ant. Now, next is what? Now I'm going to cook. I'm going to the kitchen to cook food for my family. But I'm going to wear this. I'm going to cook for my family. What I'm going to wear this? Apron. What is this? Apron. A for apron. You all have apron now? You all wear while doing activity, while eating food. You all use this. A for apple. A for apron. Now, we'll revise what words we have learned. See, A for ant. A for apple. A for axe. A for arrow. Okay? And A for apron. So, you remember now all this? So, what you're going to do? You're going to revise all these words and revise with your parents. Okay? See you. Bye-bye.
Welcome, kids. Let's look at the vocabulary list for alphabet A. Acorn, an apple, an ant, an ambulance. A is for anteater. Anteater is a mammal that uses its long sticky tongue to eat ants and termites. They are found in South America. A for aquarium, a tank or other container like a fish bowl filled with water in which water animals and plants are kept. This container is also called a fish tank. So kids, do you find different kinds of fish with different colors and sizes? Yes, you do. An astronaut. An astronaut is a person that travels in space. Hey, I think we see an astronaut landed on the moon there. An alligator. An alligator is a large reptile with short legs, a long body and tail, and a long white snout. Wow, I can see those sharp teeth. An ape. An ape is a mammal in the group of primates, which includes chimpanzees, gibbons, gorillas, and orangutans. Wow. Acorn. An acorn is the nut or a fruit of the oak tree. So kids, have you learned some new words starting with alphabet A? I think yes, you have. Thank you.
Hey kids, today we are going to learn about the alphabet A and the object that start with the letter A.
Capital A. Start from the top and draw a slanting line downwards. Go to the top and draw another slanting line down to the opposite side. Now, go little below the middle and draw a sleeping line across. Small a. Start from the middle and make a curve reaching the bottom. Next, go to the middle again and draw a standing line downwards with a small curl at the bottom.
A as an alligator, A as an arrow, A as an artist, A as an asteroid, A as an airplane, A as an ant.
Hello everyone. We have learned capital A to Z and small a to Z in junior, and little bit of revision we have done in senior also. Now from today we are going to start with our cursive writing. So to write cursive we have to learn few patterns before. After that we will learn how to write cursive capital A and small a. To learn this pattern we will take red and blue line book, and on that we will first do these patterns. When we will do this pattern, we will able to write cursive capital A. This is the pattern. Now I'll show you how to write capital cursive A. These are the red and blue line. From here, from this blue line, cursive A. Cursive A. From this blue line we will start. We'll go up to red line, come down. Again we will not take up the pencil, we'll go up again and we'll turn it from here. This is cursive capital A. Cursive A. Go up, come down till red line. Again we have to come up over here, and this is cursive A. Now on the next line I'll show you how to write small a. Here. Now small a we will write on this blue line, will not go on red line, okay? We will not go on red line, only on this blue line we will write small a, cursive small a.
Hello students, today we are going to learn apple paper collage. For this we will need red and green craft paper, glue, pencil, drawing book. So let's start for the activity. First we will draw an apple. So the apple is ready. Now we will stick red paper on the apple. Apply the glue on the apple. Now, one by one, stick all the papers on the apple. Now, the apple paper collage is ready. You can try it at your home. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello, good morning my dear children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Last time we have studied about alphabet A. Okay, now what comes after alphabet A? Can anybody please tell me? B. Very good. Comes alphabet B. What is this? B. Capital B and small b. Today I am going to learn about the things which start with alphabet B. Okay, see here. This is capital B. Now what are you going to learn with capital B? What is this? You all eat this fruit? Yummy. This is banana. B for banana. B for banana. Okay? B for banana. Now when you go to school, you carry a tiffin and water bottle also now along with you. Yes or no? See, I got a bottle over here. Okay? B for bottle. B for bottle. B for bottle. You carry water, juice, milk in this. B for bottle. Okay. Now, you all eat bread and butter. Like to eat bread. See, I've got bread over here. This is bread. You eat now. You apply over your butter and jam and you make a sandwich of this. This is bread. B for bread. B for bread. B for bread. Okay. Now. Oh, the light is gone. Will somebody switch on the bulb? Yes. What do you do when there's darkness? You all switch on the bulb. This gives you light. B for bulb. B for bulb. Then what the next one? I want to do some painting. So what will I use to do some painting? I will use this brush. I will use this brush to do the painting. You all enjoy a coloring picture, doing painting. So use this brush. B for brush. B for brush. Now I'm tired. I ate my bread and butter. I did everything. I did painting also. Now I want to play. So I play with my favorite ball. See this ball. B for ball. You play with your friend the ball now. B for ball. B for ball. Okay. Now let's revise what you have learned. This is B for ball. B for brush. Then B for ball. B for bulb. B for bottle. B for banana and B for bread. So today we have learned 5 things which start from letter B. B for bread, B for banana, B for bulb, B for bottle, B for brush and B for ball. Now everybody will revise this with your mummy and papa. See you. Bye bye.
Capital B. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go back to the top and draw a curve to the middle, then draw a curve joining the bottom. Small b. Start from the top and draw a standing line downwards. Go to the center of the line and add a curve touching the bottom of the line.
B as in button. B as in bear. B as in bumblebee. B as in boat. B as in basketball. B as in bat. B as in baby. B as in bird.
Capital cursive C. Capital cursive C. From this blue line, we have to go up to red, come down again, and we have to fold it inside. In this way, we have to write cursive capital C. Okay. Now I will show you how to write cursive small c. For writing small alphabet, we will use this blue line. We will not go on red line. So in this manner, small c. Once you will start writing alphabet, you will not take your pencil up unless your alphabet is complete. This is small c. Thank you.
Children, good morning. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Okay. Today we will do one craft work on alphabet. Okay. What is this one? Yes. Which letter is this? This letter is B. This is letter B. Now today we are going to make a craft for letter B. This is letter B. For letter B craft work we will see. Yes, I will show one craft work. Like this we all will meet. Okay. This is the letter B craft work. See. Now let's see how to make this honeybee. Okay. Ready? Get ready. Take one big bead and white paper. See. And like this, take this wings for this bee and cut it and ready. And you have to stick out over one bee. See, here you have to stick. Stick it here. And you have to take here drop for Fevicol. And you have to keep this one also here like this. See, like this. You all do at home, and after for honeybee stripes you have to show. Okay. Keep one stripe, and here one more stripe. See, like this stripes you have to make, and that bee you have to stick it. Now you have to stick on here one more stripe. See all of you how the honeybee craft work. Nice now. Look at here. Yes, you all are also try at home and your video send in this group. Okay. Bye. Thank you.
Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn new letter C. C, capital C, small c. Capital C, small c. C is for cat. Cat. C C is for cat. Cat is domestic animal. Cat says meow. C is for cup. C is for cup. You drink milk in cup? Very good. C is for carpenter. C is for carpenter. Carpenter makes furniture. C is for car. C is for car. You go on a ride in a car? C is for circle. Round, round circle. C is for circle. C is for cot. C is for cot. C is for carrot. Orange color carrot. C is for cabbage. C is for cabbage. Green color cabbage. You all eat cabbage? Now I'll show you some more things related C. C is for chessboard. You play chess? C is for chessboard. Black and white chess. C is for colors. Many colors. C is for colors. C is for calculator. C for calculator. C is for Colgate. You all brush every day. C is for Colgate. C is for cards. Playing cards. C is for cards. Let's revise again. C is for cat. C is for cup. C is for carpenter. C is for car. C is for circle. C is for cot. C is for carrot. C is for cabbage. C is for chess. C is for Colgate. C is for cards. C is for calculator. C is for colors. You all revise this at home. Bye. Thank you. Hello kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Today we are going to learn new letter C. C. Capital C, small c. C for car. C for cup. Let's see some more pictures related C. C for camel. C for cat. C for cap. C for cake. C for car. Let's revise again. C for camel. C for cap. C for cat. C for cake. C for car. Revise this at home. Now I'll show you how to write C. You know red and blue line book? You'll not write in the margin. You will start from first red line, first blue line, second blue line. You will not touch the bottom red line. It is a danger line. So you'll start from first line to second blue line. First red line to second blue line. C. 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 Say and write C. C for car. C for cup. C for cat. You write C in your red and blue line notebook. Thank you.
C. Capital C. Start from the top and draw a curve touching the bottom. Small c. Start from the middle and draw a curve till the bottom.
Hi, I am the letter C. I am the third letter of the English alphabet series. I may look like this or like this. I say my name as C. These words begin with the letter C. C for candy. C for castle. C for cat. C for car. Ciao!
Hello everyone and welcome back. I am back with an craft activity. It's a fun activity. Okay? But I want you to do this activity with the help of parents. You are not going to do it alone. Okay? So today we shall be making a cloud mask. Now as you all know that the rainy season has already started. So let's get going and make a beautiful cloud mask. For making the cloud mask, we will need a white paper, thread, scissors, pencil, eraser, a punching machine and colors. So shall we start? Come on, let's start. Now, take a white paper and draw a cloud like this. Okay? Now, after drawing a cloud like this, cut the cloud with the help of scissor. After cutting the cloud, it will show like this. After the shape has been cut, now you have to color it into a blue color. Which color? What is the color of the cloud always? Blue. So, color the cloud into blue color like this. See, and if you want to make it little bit dark, you can make it little bit dark also. Now you have to take this marks on your face like this. Then approximately you have to take the measurement where are your eyes. Okay. Now you have to point like this and mark where are your eyes. Then you will take it down like this and you will mark with the pencil like this. And here you will make a circle. You will make a circle and you will cut this circle with the help of a scissor. Kids, please take care. Do along with your parents. Nobody is going to try this without their parents. Okay? So, after cutting these two circles, what you will do? See, now you have got two big circles and here you can see through it. Now, you will fold the cloud like this. Okay? Now don't fold it more, little bit. Now you will get a end over here. Now afterwards you will take the punch and you will make a hole over here like this. Now you will get two holes like this. Now what you will do? You will take a thread and tie a knot on both the holes. Okay? After tying the knot, what we will get is this. You will get a mask like this. Okay? And then what you will do? You can wear this mask on your face. You can wear this mask on your face and you can tie it like this. Let me tie, okay? Okay, so a beautiful cloud mask is ready. I hope you all enjoyed today's session of making a beautiful cloud mask. I would love to see you all trying and making this cloud mask and sending me your pics. Until next time, bye, take care, stay safe.